Okay, here's the simple wire, battery, magnet, and screw motor again. This is just a 1.5 inch sheetrock screw with a couple pretty hefty rare earth magnets stuck on the bottom. They provide enough force for the screw to stick to the battery. The wire I'm just holding at one end, the other I just touch here. Away it goes. Actually spins very fast. Usually spins so fast it eventually falls off. If I hold it on there, it'll just immediately accelerate beyond its ability to hold on.